lightning bolt. Very big one too. It's gorgeous. Starting up there. Maybe we'll get lucky and get another one. You can hear the thunder though. It was rumbling like really loud. Sunday, July 22nd. I can't see what time it is. It's after 9. Probably about 20, 25 after 9, something like that. Sunset over there. Oh, that's cool looking, eh? Sun setting, and we've got a huge thunderstorm there. Coming from Hamilton. Now I can smell the rain. It's getting damp. I smell the rain out here, for sure. Heat lightning over by Hamilton. Nice cool breeze coming in here at least. So we're sharing here. This time they came every 2 to 3 minutes apart. So hopefully another one should show soon. Pretty cool. Like clockwork. From like a timer or something. Takes that long for the cells to collide. Earlier some guy's car alarm kept going off. After a big clap of thunder, the alarm went off. He changed it. It used to be like, and this one was beep beep, beep beep, beep. I don't know. It was more annoying hearing the beep beep, beep beep, even though it was a lower sound. At least the other one was kind of fun. You knew it was an alarm. This one sounds like a great big loud text message. The new alarm. You hear the crickets? Anytime. Come on. Give us a nice big one. We want to see lightning. Where's Harry Potter when you need him, eh? Harry Potter and his magic wand. I could use one of those right now. Cool. I don't know how people actually captured lightning on their cameras. They must have it set on a timer or something. My arm's getting sore holding my camera. Last time I shut the camera off, damn thing flashed. Never fails. Murphy's Law. Right? Just when you think it's not going to happen, it happens. Aha! I hear rain. I hear rain. Great big drops. I wonder if we're going to get hailstones here. They're calling for hailstones in Hamilton. Now, according to the Google website, it said they had hailstones the size of quarters and the size of ping pong balls. So, you see how big this hail is. They said it was like little pebbles in Hamilton, so. We need some rain here anyways. I'm sure lots of people need rain. There's a big drought going down in the USA. They haven't had that drought for like 25 years, they said. So you can expect the price of barley and corn and stuff like that going up. We're already being charged over $3 for a loaf of bread now. Hate to see. We think it's going to go from $4 to $5 for a loaf of bread if it's as bad as they say it is. Unless Canadians get better weather and they can produce the wheat that we need for whatever. I don't know if it's Canadians or Americans that supply most of the flour for Canada, or if we buy it from the States. No idea. Well, this 3-minute thing's not working, is it? My little lightning bolts aren't coming every 2 to 3 minutes like they were before. I just missed all the good ones. It's like it was chain lightning before, but this time it went right down to the ground, so something's changed in the storm. You can hear the rain pouring down. It's just a light drizzle, nothing major. I like it when it's pouring down and it dances off the roof and it just makes a rat-tat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat-tat-tat sound. That's fun to watch. It was interesting watching all the lights come on in the city. I've never actually sat here and looked at it. They'll come on at the same time. Put on a timer too. Well, I'm not getting much fireworks here, so I'm going to stop this.